See, read the name.
Okay, I'm gonna read the name.
Open it. Wait, open it. Wait. Help tape on it.
Oh, it doesn't say.
Yeah, there. Ninang from Adi and
You open this
Gina.
Stylo. To say that this try wearing it.
No,
The other one.
it's mine.
the other one too.
Okay.
There,
Where?
that one.
Huh?
Yeah. Read this and then say thank you.
Thank you.
After say.
I don't know how to read handwriting.
After say.
How do I pronounce it?
This is-
This is.
After say.
Yeah.
Well, thank you.
After
Yeah.
say. I love you.
I love you too. What's this?
So ayan. Excited at masaya dahil sa regalo.
See this. This for lips. Wait. I want to open it. Open this thing. Uy.
So ninong this and ninang this. Put in. There.
I'm gonna put it on.
Too small for you? Lumalaki na siya. Oh, parang maliit na sa kanya.
Small?
Small. Pero that's okay.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Ninang Desiree and Ninong Jess.
Sure.
What you gonna say?
Thank you.
Alright.
I don't know how to open this thing.
This one.
Can we set on the movies?
This tape.
Sit here.
Tight. Oh, there's tape. Kikita ni ano yan.
It's not small.
Ayan, Gina, ang binigay mo, medyo maliit na sa kanya. Yan, okay lang yan dahil ano, parang leggings. Yan, that's come from your Ninang Desiree.
Say thank you. Thank you. I'm gonna wear it right now. I'm gonna wear
Yes.
it very much.
Yeah. So, ayan, no? Malaki na yung inaanak mo, Desiree.
It's CFS better.
Tapos yan, comes from your Ninang Gina. Wear that, wear. Kauwi lang galing sa school.
Let's go watch a movie. My poor TV.
Your poor TV. Why did you break your poor TV?
Ayan, alright. Regalo from Ninang Desiree and Ninang
I put this in my
Gina.
backpack.
Oh, say thank you again.